Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hennepin County, southern Anoka County, western Ramsey County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Watertown to near Victoria to Savage, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Edina, St. Louis Park, Hopkins, Medina, and Wayzata around 10:05 p.m. Plymouth and Golden Valley around 10:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Minneapolis, St. Paul, Maple Grove, Roseville, Brooklyn Center, Brooklyn Park, Fridley, Shoreview, Champlin, New Brighton, Coon Rapids, Rampy, Anoka, and Blaine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.